Alright.
Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbours. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and today we are making Newfie Poutine. Yes, Newfie fries, Newfie Poutine. If you look up Newfoundland on the map, it is a Canadian province. I grew up in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, neighboring province of Newfoundland, where Cape Breton, many wonderful people, Newfoundland, many wonderful people, Canadian, wonderful people. Anyway, this is what we call Newfie Poutine, Newfie fries. Maybe in your neck of the woods you have these kind of fries and they're called something else. Let me know down below in the comments. We start off because you need fries. Keep an eye on the plate there, Casey. It's going to go really quickly. Okay, so we start off with some fries. Then we put, this is what to do with your leftover turkey, people. I'm telling you right now. Put some turkey. Put some dressing, stuffing, whatever you want to call it.
And I've been to Quebec a bit in my day since we're Canadian, and
they have all different kinds of poutine.
They have a lot of poutine, but every time that I've had poutine there, they put a lot of extra pepper on it before they even brought it out. So that's my recommendation with poutine, is always put a lot of pepper on it.
Do you want me to put some pepper?
Yeah.
Casey, you want some pepper?
That's my tip. That's my advice. I like this when they put a lot of pepper.
And cheese of choice. The restaurant I worked in used cheddar cheese, but I'm using some good old mozzarella. And here we go. Look at that. Now that's a poutine. That's your plate, Casey.
Yay.
Anyway, guys, give it a try. Guaranteed you're going to love it because you love your own stuffing that you made. You love your turkey that you made. You love your gravy that you made.
Did you say what everything was?
Yeah.
You said that it was turkey and stuffing, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So you guys love your turkey. You love your stuffing, dressing. You love the gravy that you made. Just throw it on some fries with some cheese. There you go. So I guarantee you're going to love it. Look at that. Anyway, Happy New Year, everyone. Hope 2021 treats you all fantastic. Love you all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. Take care. Hi. And a thing I want to add to this is a good YouTuber friend of mine, Bonita. She lives in Newfoundland. She has a channel called Bonita's Kitchen. Her husband Raymond does the videos. She has a lot of traditional recipes on that page, plus many other great things. Go check it out. Love her. You're going to love her too. Peace.
Bye.
You know what I'm saying? As I'm talking, you can show the book.
Okay.